Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today let me introduce you this boot pad tool trolley with 3 levels. 250 kilogram load capacity. It's an height adjustable shelves, a stable and a low noise transport trolley for a workshop, for the warehouse, for the garage, and of course for cleaning jobs. Included a rubber hammer. Wow. It's made of industrially strong stainless plastic. The color offers a high stability and a long service life. That's either for workshop, for garage, or the warehouse, or of course for other operations. The removable and height adjustable shelves allows that you can use it as a 2 or a 3 liner. Perfect for large tools, for cleaning buckets, for boxes, or as for small parts. And with 2 fixed wheels, 4 stable straight and aligned wheels, and the 2 swivel wheels for flexible maneuverability. The low noise rolling behavior is either for smooth floors, indoors. And the integrated storage compartments offers a space for screws, for tools, or accessories for more order and quick access in everyday works. The included rubber hammer allows us assembly without scratches or damage, immediately ready for the workshop, the warehouse, and of course the household. 3-in-1 multifunctional storage trolley with 250 load capacity. Direct design, simply assembly, reinforced construction, swivel fixed coaster, and a robust and durable design. Ergonomic handle with a storage compartment, rounded corner design, compact design, tall storage rack design, 2 swivels, coasters, 2 fixed, and height adjustment serve for different heights. No prop and widely applicable. You can use it as a second tier usage or a third tier usage. As you need it, you can get this. Make a good organizing at home. Make a good organizing in your garage. Make a good organizing in your in your garden for as well. This all is possible with that trolley here, because this is a nice trolley which we can use for a lot of operation stuff. This is the boot pad tool trolley with 3 level of possibilities, with 103 to 44 to 85 centimeter in a nice shape, 250 kilogram load capacity, with a rubber hammer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!